logarithms. There are two special properties of logarithms that we should take note of. But before that, we have to also remember the definition of log. So, giving log b base a equal to c, by definition of logs, then we can say that a raised to the power c is equal to what? B. Okay, so knowing this, looking at the special property that we're talking about, let's say property 1. The property 1 says that log a base a is equal to 1. So this law, or this property rather, what it means is that if I have a log of a number of which the base of that log is the same as that number or is equal to that number, then my result is going to be 1. And you know, from the definitions or the definition of the log, you said log b base a is equal to c, right? And from this you can say a raised to the power c is equal to b. Then from this property, the base here is what? A raised to the power 1. The result is equal to what? A, which is true, isn't it? Yeah. Now let us give an example to appreciate the concept. Example, let us assume that we have log 10. So log 10 is equal to what? 1, isn't it? Yeah, I believe you understand why it's 1. In our previous video, we learned that if you have a log with no base, then it means that the base of that log is what? 10, right? The base of that log is 10. If you don't see any base, the base is 10. So we have log 10 base 10, which is equal to 1. Okay, you let me write that one as example 2 for those who are probably new. Log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. I think this one is okay now, right? Okay, then we have if I have log 2 base 2, once the log of the number is the same base, the number is the same as the base of the log, then the result is going to be what? 1. Very easy as that, right? Now let us look at property 2. Property. So the property 2 states that log 1 to base a is equal to 0. The logarithm of 1 to any base is 0. So it is a rule, and we got nothing to say about that. And this rule is true as well by the definition, just as we did earlier on. According to the definition of the logs, then we can say a raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. And we know that according to indices, any number x raised to the power 0 is equal to what? 1. And this satisfies the property, isn't it? Right. So let us give an example. Given log, so this one, let's say example I, log of base 10, then 1. Log 1 base 10. Just know that it is what? 0. I log of 1 base 5 is equal to what? 0. I log of 3, sorry, log of 1 base 3. See, once it is log 1, don't even think of anything. Just know that the result is what? 0. Last one. Log of what? Log of 1 base what? 7. Once it is log 1, then the result is what? 0. And that's all. These are the two special properties of the logarithms that are pertinent for us to know. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, subscribe to the channel for more of such.